In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. Begin with accessing settings. After that, you need to scroll down and click on Sounds and Vibration. Then you can click on Vibrate, vibration over here in the middle, under Sound Mode, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. After that, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and tap on Vibration for Scene 1 and Scene 2. Now you can tap on one of those vibration patterns to set up the best one for you, like for example Beat, or select Synchronize at the top. When you're ready, click on the back button twice and tap on Notification Tone. Then select Vibration over here and do exactly the same for your notifications, or disable vibrations completely by selecting None. Then go back, click on Messaging Tone, and do exactly the same the third time. Finally, when you're ready, you can scroll all the way